Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10. Here we want to discuss about PT Hanson International TBK cases. But before we start our material, let me introduce our members. First, there is Mishelle Nesyanna with the NPM 2211031094. And then there is myself, Arif Rahmansyah, with the NPM 2211011123. And then Zahwa Nura Aziza with the NPM 2251011030. History of PT Hanson. PT Hanson International Tbk MIRX is a leading Indonesian real estate banking company with a land of area of over 4,900 hectares spread across various strategic locations in Jabodetabek. The company was founded in 1971 and was originally a textile manufacturing company. The company was incorporated under the name PT Mayertex Indonesia. The company went public or IPO on October 31, 1990 under the stock code MIRX. The company name was changed to Penta Hanson Industri Utama Tbk on May 7, 1997 and changed to Penta Hanson International Tbk in 2005. The company also had to switch to the energy and minerals business in 2007. By 2013, this corporation changed its function to Real Estate Bank Corporation. So, the capital market is a market for various long-term tradable commodities, as explained on the Indonesian Stock Exchange official website. Capital markets are a means of raising funds for companies and other institutions and as a means of investment. Products traded in the capital markets include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange trade funds, and derivative products. However, to be able to buy and sell trades on the capital market, you need to contact intermediaries, so-called brokers. Capital markets play an important role in a country's economy, as they are the means by which companies are financed and the public invest in financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. In doing business, the capital markets are supervised by an agency called the Capital Market Supervisory Authority, or BAPEPA. And then the next slide. Reason we choose this case. First, the case is so related with the syllabus material in orders bank cases, and second, the case is fulfill all the requirements for these lectures, is business law towards business companies within 5 years and has final verdicts. And the last is this case increase the awareness of audience about the receipt and legit investment and also help to spread about the awareness of financial report.
Background cast. It is known that the company owned by the suspect in the flood case, PT Asuransi Jiwasraya Persero, alias Beni Cokro Saputro, has been applying for PKPU status since March 2020. In addition, in October 2019, the Financial Services Authority, or OJK, also gave a warning to Hanson to stop collecting funds that were allegedly illegal. Hanson is suspected of carrying out an illegal investment practice because this fundraising cannot be done haphazardly. On the other hand, Hanson Party denied this allegation. According to him, the collection of funds is a debt practice. Hanson himself as a party receiving debt from the third parties. The funds obtained are used as a capital for activities in the property sector. The total funds raised were also not small, reaching Indonesian rupiah 2.4 trillion. So the OJK also asked for the money to be returned to the owner. In addition, Hanson is also prohibited from carrying out these activities again. Foundation case. Clause number 96 of Law number 8 of 1995 on capital market with respect to the presentation and disclosure of the issuer account. The company also violated PS Account number 44 on accounting for property development activities by failing to apply the accounting treatment. Beni Cokro Saputro, who was the president and director of PT Hanson Internasional Tbk as of December 31st, 2019, was found to have violated Section number 107 of the Capital Market Act. Auditor who audit the financial statement as of December 31st, 2019.
So for the next slide, we're gonna talk about the ending case. Before I tell you the ending case, I'm gonna tell you that the PT Hansen International case is one of many involved of the Capital Market Law, dishonesty in preparing financial reports is not only detrimental to investors and creators, but also to internal companies. The board of directors and accountants involved in preparing the financial statement, projection of income, profits, and result of analysis of financial statement that will make be used to make decisions are inaccurate. The steps taken by the Indonesia Stock Exchange are quite firm. The suspension on the sale of MYRX share will make PT Hanson International TBK correct their mistake. Companies also have to work hard again to build the corporate image. And then the Financial Service Authority also imposed sanctions in the form of fines on several parties involved. That is, the company itself was fined 500 million rupiah and Beni Trokro Saputro was fined 5 billion rupiah. Shirley Jocon as an auditor from the public accounting firm Purwanto, Surja, and Sungkoro, member of Ernst and Young Global Limited, was sentenced to a suspension of registration certificate for 1 year. And then for the next slide is the importance of business law. The first one is clarifying which parties are involved in a business will require something more official and no longer about promise or just gut faith. The second one is source of useful information to all business people. And the third one is the authority to regulate and solve problems can also make business people available to carry out their business more calmly.
Okay, guys. So this is our reference for our materials today. And thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.